Hi there, students. Bonhomie. Bonhomie. This is a noun. It's an uncountable noun. Maybe sounds a little bit literary. Let's see. Friendliness, happiness, cheerfulness. There was a lot of bonhomie among the members of the team. Yeah, they got on very nicely. They got on very well. Okay, so if somebody has bonhomie, they're pleasant, they're friendly, they're good-natured, they get on well with people. So there was a lot of bonhomie among the students in the class. Yeah, there's definitely a lot of bonhomie among the people in my live stream. It's one of the things I like about it. So bonhomie, good-natured, easy friendliness. Yeah, there was bonhomie radiated from him. Yeah, he had such bonhomie that everybody liked him. Yeah, he was a genial person, full of good humour, happiness. He was full of warmth. He was a good-humoured fellow, very pleasant. Yeah, pleasant to be with. He was very amiable. Yeah, his bonhomie, his amiability was liked by anybody. So this is people getting on well, being good-natured with each other. Yeah, being rather genial. Okay, so yeah, bonhomie is a good thing to build teams. If you want to make a team or a group, team building, then bonhomie, affability, amiableness, geniality, amiability, friendliness, warmth, good humour, yeah, good high spirits, yeah. Yeah, his bonhomie was plain for everybody to see. Yeah, so this is somebody who is approachable, they're friendly, you know they're not going to be unpleasant to you. You also use this about an atmosphere of friendliness and good cheer. There was a lot of bonhomie at the meeting. Yeah, conviviality. People got on well with each other. Yeah, so bonhomie. There was a meeting of people in the town square, and I was surprised that there was such bonhomie. There was such a friendly, convivial, pleasant atmosphere. Okay, so bonhomie, a spirit of bonhomie and cooperation. Yeah, in a negotiation, if you can get a spirit of bonhomie between the two parties, then they are definitely going to reach an agreement. Yeah. Okay, so to be friendly, to get on well with people. Okay, I think there would be much more bonhomie among citizens about politicians if we really saw that the politicians were doing a good job. Yeah. A celebration, yeah, a party should be full of bonhomie. Yeah, people getting on well with each other. Although maybe sometimes people show a false bonhomie because they don't want to look miserable. Yeah? Okay, so formality. This sounds a little bit literary, a little bit formal, although I think I'm going to give it a 6, maybe 6.5. Sounds a bit posh as well. So, informally, happiness. People were getting on. There was a good atmosphere, positive atmosphere. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, something literary or something very formal. And then as to origin, this one comes directly from French, bonhomie, good-heartedness. Yeah, from bonhomme, a good chap, a pleasant fellow. Bon, good, and homme, man, so a good man. And then ie, actually, bonhomie is a feminine ending. Okay, so bonhomie, people getting on well together. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Bonhomie.